If you want to add someone into the close friend list in the Instagram, this video will be pretty useful for you, because now I will show you how to do this. So make sure that you've downloaded the app, so open it and log in into your account. I already done it. So the next step is just go to your account and find someone you want to add to a close list. I think it will be better if he is followed for you, so he can see all your stories. For example, I would like to add this guy. The next step we need to do is just to click on the following button right up here, and now you can see that we can add him to a close friend list. So I will do this. So he marked as a close friend, as you can see, and now the following button is green. You can also remove him by clicking on the same button. So guys, I hope this video was pretty useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. You are the best. Goodbye.